A tour of the JSTOR Workspace. Here we are in my JSTOR Workspace, where I have saved content that I've discovered on JSTOR or copied from my ArtStore account. We're viewing my workspace in Gallery View. I've organized some of my content into folders. Items that I've not placed in folders are listed after my folders in my workspace. You will find each folder represented in a grid of thumbnail images that preview the content of that folder. The name and number of items, date last modified, and any description you have written appear after each folder. Directly after the name of your folder, you will find 3 vertical dots called an overflow menu. When I open that menu, we can see a list of actions I can take with each folder. Rename it, add or edit the description, move it, duplicate it, present it, share a link, or delete it. I will open this folder and you will see the same actions available to you with the folder open. Some of the actions are listed in the overflow menu, while others are accessed from the buttons at the top of the folder page. Click on Workspace at the top of the page to return to your workspace and see all your folders and items again. Back in my workspace, after all my folders, I have a few items that I have not placed in folders. In Gallery View, thumbnails provide a preview of those items. As with folders, you will find an overflow menu after the name of each of your items. From this menu, I can add a note about the item, cite it, move it, or delete it. I can also use the checkbox for each individual item or folder in order to move or delete them in bulk rather than individually. As I do so, notice the Move button and the Delete button appear at the top of the page.